Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best camper tie-downs is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for your pickup truck and camper setup. These often overlooked components play a pivotal role in ensuring your camper remains firmly secured to your truck bed, providing stability and safety on the road. Without a reliable tie-down system, you risk damaging your camper, your truck, and potentially endangering yourself and others. So, let's dive in and explore what makes a great tie-down system. Number 5. Brophy TDSF Black Powder Coated Camper Tie-Down. This is a set of 4 camper tie-downs. They are designed for full-size pickups. This set will help you secure your camper. Please note that this product is not compatible with all trucks. It is not for use on 1988 or newer mid-size Ford Ranger trucks. You may need to replace it with frame-mounted tie-downs. It also does not fit on 2011 and newer pickups. Furthermore, it's not suitable for campers over 8 feet in overall length. For some newer models, you might need to purchase 2 to 2.5 inch long lag bolts. Be sure to check your specific truck model. The tab lock anchors tie down to the truck rail. This design prevents lifting and twisting, providing a secure hold for your camper. What we like. This tie-down features tab lock anchors, ensuring a secure connection to your truck rail. It effectively prevents lifting and twisting, providing stability. If you're looking for a reliable solution for your full-size pickup, this is a great choice. What people say. Works great for my light 8 feet camper. Easy to install and good alternative to belly bars for the price. They fit my 2022 Ram 3500. Not perfectly, but acceptable without modification. Appear to any heavy-duty and well-built. Number 4. Torklift Ram 2500-3500 HD Camper Tie-Downs. This system dramatically improves vehicle handling and stability. It is the safest way to haul a truck camper, preventing sway and movement in all directions. Avoid bed and bumper damage by attaching to the strongest part of the truck, the frame. This design helps maintain the value of your truck and prevents rust. Installation is fast and requires no drilling, securing your truck camper to your truck quickly. It also maintains ground clearance, and has a hidden design when not in use. This system uses independent tie-down points that bolt directly to the truck frame. This provides safety, security, and stability while on the road. This is the only truck camper tie-down system with a legendary lifetime warranty. It's a reliable and durable solution for your truck camper needs. What we like. This system mounts directly to the truck frame, dramatically improving handling and stability. The no-drill installation preserves your truck's value. If you prioritize safety and want to avoid bed damage, you should consider this option. What people say. The installation was fairly straightforward, though I strongly recommend using an impact gun to break free the installed bolts on the bumper B3109 installation. On the front tie-down D2101 assembly, I fished a smaller wire from the small bolt hole to the larger oval hole to attach to the provided nut fishing wire to assist with fishing the bolt assembly back into the smaller hole, saved loads of time. Each tie-down assembly took about 30 minutes. Number 3. HappiJac Standard Turnbuckle Replacement Set. This is a replacement set of standard turnbuckles. It includes everything you need to secure your truck camper. This set ensures stability and peace of mind on the road. The set comes with 4 turnbuckles. They are designed to provide a secure and reliable connection. You can trust them to keep your camper in place. This set includes 2 FMTBS turnbuckles, which are spring-loaded. This feature helps absorb shock and maintain tension. They are built to last and withstand various conditions. Also included are 2 FMTBR turnbuckles with stress guard. They are designed to protect against over-tightening. This helps to extend the life of the product. The turnbuckles are fully adjustable. You can fine-tune the tension after installation. This allows for maximum stability and a perfect fit for your needs. What we like. This set offers fully adjustable turnbuckles for maximum stability. The stress guard design ensures durability. If you value adjustability and want to fine-tune the tension after installation, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They are easy to put on, easy to take off, and perform the job they were intended to do. I bought the 4-piece set here on Amazon and they work great if you install them correctly. I traveled this last week over hills and gravel and highway and they worked great. Number 2. HappiJac Qwik-Load Turnbuckles for Truck Camper. Installation is a breeze, no matter your tie-down mounts. Just attach these turnbuckles to your camper and anchor points. Adjust the length and release the handles to apply the correct tension. Then, insert the steel pins, and you're all set. These turnbuckle barrels are built to last. They're made with zinc-coated, stainless steel. This provides excellent resistance against rust and corrosion, ensuring longevity. The rubberized handles make it simple to use. You can easily release tension and disconnect the turnbuckles. This allows you to remove your truck camper with ease. Attaching these turnbuckles to your truck's bed and bumper secures your camper. The added spring tension in the front turnbuckle reduces stress on the anchor points, providing extra safety. If your gas tank access is behind the turnbuckle, don't worry. The quick-release handle makes getting to your fuel tank a breeze. It's all about convenience and ease of use. What we like. These turnbuckles are incredibly easy to install, regardless of your tie-down mounts. The durable construction and user-friendly design make it a breeze to use. If you want a quick and easy solution with added safety features, this is the one for you. What people say. These camper tie-downs look strong and well built. Work great. Just got back from a 8,300-mile road trip and no problem. And I have a heavy camper. Crank down hard no problem no break, crank down soft some slack no problem, cotter pins stainless as well and these jacks can be adjusted fully open without any issues. Number 1. CR Brophy TDHP Tie-Down Hardware Package. This is the CR Brophy TDHP Tie-Down Hardware Package. It's designed for secure tie-down applications. This package is a reliable solution for your needs. The package dimensions are 10.59 inches in height, 21.09 inches in length, and 18.29 inches in width. It's designed to be compact and easy to handle. This makes it convenient for storage and transportation. The package weighs in at 4.36 pounds. It's lightweight yet durable, ensuring it's easy to manage. The weight makes it convenient for various applications. This product is made in China. It's manufactured to meet quality standards. The origin ensures the product's reliability. The package dimensions are 21.09 inches in length, 10.59 inches in height, and 18.29 inches in width. It's designed for efficient storage. The dimensions provide ample space for the hardware. What we like. This hardware package comes with a durable silver finish. It's designed for longevity and ease of use. If you need a reliable and long-lasting tie-down solution, this is a great option. What people say. Anchors the camper to my truck just fine. Worked great for securing my camper to pickup. The set is very complete. I can't imagine anyone not getting everything they need in this kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.